the Motorola Edge 50 Neo is expected to launch soon, with leaks revealing detailed renders of the device in 4 official colors: black, nautical blue, red, and beige. The Edge 50 Neo will feature 3 rear cameras, similar to the Moto Edge 50, including a 50-megapixel main camera, a 10-megapixel telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom, and a 13-megapixel ultra-wide camera. It will also have a 32-megapixel front-facing camera. The device sports a Gorilla Glass 3 protected 6.4-inch display with a 120 Hz refresh rate. It is expected to be powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 processor and will be available in 2 configurations: 8GB RAM with 256GB storage and 12GB RAM with 512GB storage. The battery capacity is 4,310 mAh, which is a 14% decrease from last year's model. The phone is anticipated to be introduced sometime next month. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.